Want to know how to link your Gmail or email account in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application or the Dola.com website. So we have also put in the video on how to log in and install Dola AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. You can just simply stick that. And once you're on your profile, here you should be seeing settings. Just simply select that as well. So once you're on the settings, scroll all the way down and here you should be seeing account. Just simply select account. And now once you're on your account, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So now since we are linking Gmail, here you should be seeing Google. So if you had previously logged in from Gmail, it should be already linked. So if you are not, you can just simply select that, link your Gmail, send verification code, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these Dola AI similar videos. And see you in the next one.